Hello everyone, and thank you for checking out your latest weather update here. If we take a look at our weather headlines, the dry weather is going to continue through much of the weekend. In fact, the chance of rain for Sunday is really now holding off, really until we get closer to midnight Sunday night into Monday morning. So keep that in mind. We're looking at dry conditions both days during the daytime, and then that front will come through Monday morning, and it's going to usher in some relief from the warm temperatures, and we will have lower humidity as we go into early next week. So we'll look forward and take a look at that 7-day here shortly. But first off, here's a look at our Saturday. We'll have mostly sunny skies through today. Feels like a repeat here. Temperatures start out upper 60s. We're around 80 by lunchtime. We're in the upper 80s for the high temperature. We're going to be around 86 at 5 p.m. A little breezier tomorrow. That's the one differential note from the weather we've had, that the winds will start to pick up a little bit as we go into Saturday here. So at least we'll have a little bit of a breeze around, and then Sunday the breezes really get going here. In fact, we'll see winds sustain possibly 15 to 20 miles per hour. So keep that in mind. Sunday during the day will be dry. Sunday night we'll have showers work in, and then as we go into Monday, the showers will exit in the morning. By the late part of the day, we should have lots of sunshine. And check out the temperature forecast here, getting cooler in the mid-70s, and we'll have lows in the 50s by Tuesday morning. We're going to have nice low humidity too. Tuesday looking like a great day. Wednesday we'll have a weak front coming to the area, possibly bringing an isolated shower. As we go into Wednesday afternoon, temperature-wise, could peak back to the lower 80s, but then back to the 70s briefly Thursday. But look at Friday, back to 86. So a week from today, we're back to some very warm temperatures. And in fact, we'll show you as we go towards next weekend, potential is there for some near record heat. So keep that in mind. For the final weekend of September, we could actually be seeing temperatures close to 90 degrees. Just unbelievable here. Summer just not letting go. Here's the rainfall potential, by the way, for Sunday night. Kind of skipped by this earlier. You can see we might get a quarter to a half inch of rain. There could be localized higher amounts, but you can see the heaviest rain will fall just north and west of here Sunday night. So that, guys, that's the latest look at your weather update. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good weekend.